Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. So this video is going to be a blend between SEO and generative engine optimization slash AEO. Here's an example. So I search for TM Blast reviews within Google. You get the AI review at the top that's going to summarize the reviews I have across the web. Basically, things are really positive, which is great. If you go past the AI overview, you're going to get a reviews page, which I'm going to talk about in a second. And then you have trustindex.io, which is the third-party site that I purchased to have all my reviews from Google Business Profile and also Trust Index directly there. But also for my clients, I push this. So if you have any reviews on Facebook or Yelp or the App Store or the Google Play Store, you can basically take all your reviews in one place. And you can create widgets. So what does this look like? So I have my reviews page over here. So if you go to tmblast.com/reviews, and I'll put it in the description, you'll see what I do is I take the Google business profile and also the trust index, and I embed the widgets directly onto my website so it actually cycles through. Users can read whatever the reviews are about my business. This is actually really important because it's being pulled in directly within the Google AI overview. Let's go back into that. So if I go to show more, you can get more information over here. Some videos that I've created. TrustIndex.io is showed constantly over here with communication, everything else like that. That's really important. The reason why I'm sharing this video though is that what I'm noticing for a lot of my clients is that they have a lot of different competitors, and competitors are doing different ways to take market share away for brand search. So what I mean by that is that they might search for brand alternative or brand pricing, and what they're trying to do is they're trying to get onto Google's page one or even Bing to take some market share away. So they have like a comparison page, like a table of views that shows like the pros and cons, how their product compares to another company's product, or they might share reviews or pricing or anything else that can kind of maybe take away share. So if you don't have a dedicated reviews page on your website, you're kind of sort of leaving real estate opportunities available for your competitors to write a reviews page about your business and talk about maybe some of the shortcomings of your business. Obviously they'll say some positive things too, but the goal of their business is to kind of show an alternative to what you provide. Let me go to Bing. I want to show you something that's really interesting with this. So same query, TM Blast reviews. They have the Copilot search. Trust Index is heavily featured all throughout this. We have the tmblast.com reviews page. That's interesting. But notice on the right-hand side, you have things like TM Blast scam, TM Blast complaints. I see this actually quite a bit for my clients. This will actually pop up. So I was like curious about this. I clicked on TM Blast scam. It's going to be now a new Bing search that popped up, says, is TM Blast a scam? And then says, basically, there's no evidence that there is. Really interesting because sometimes people will search for that for some of my clients, because when you're starting to get further down the funnel and you're potentially looking to purchase an item or fill out a form or whatever it is to maybe move to that next step, you might search for like complaints or scam or is it safe or whatever it is. You want to have the message controlled via a dedicated landing page on your website. Again, trustindex.io, but also my reviews page kind of summarizes this. So in summary, I'll go back to just the reviews page. This is really helpful using trustindex.io. I can embed the widget directly into my website. It gives Google and Bing and also ChatGPT too a lot of resources of my business. So if you're a brand and you're noticing maybe a slowdown in sales or purchases and you're not sure why, because Google Trends looks the same for your searches for your non-brand, Google Search Console shows that branded search is relatively the same. Consider making a reviews page onto your website and really control that narrative and see what that does for your business for more traffic and, most importantly, more leads. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.